Hello, I'm Yuvaraj, Program Manager, Nokia Solutions and Networks. The servant leadership program, what we went through for the last 2 days, definitely was not another leadership program, but that was a completely different perspective it has given. There are many takeaways that has actually changed the dynamics of how we think, how we treat, and how we execute. Either it is in organization or the personal growth or the organization or even the community. So it was, I would say, a wholesome leadership program which connects the self, the organization, the external community, and that way it was a very special and a connected program. On the other hand, this was not only gives things in the wordings, but the toolkit form, how it was presented, was an additional new kind of thing which helps even in the future to go through. So in that way, this was again a different program to go through with. On overall, this was a very wholesome and a lot of takeaway from this program. Thank you.
Hi, this is Madana Kumar, and I'm glad that you chose to view this video. If you would like to be part of this journey, which is transformative both at a personal level and at a professional level, do get in touch with us at Leadyne. Hope to see you soon. Thank you.